Hello friends. In my previous video I could not discuss about the payroll statement, so we'll discuss about payroll statement now. Okay, you can see the question here. Write the formula for the following generalized payroll statement. See here, write the formula for the following generalized payroll statement for ABC Limited to calculate gross salary of each employee. Actually this question is a bit related to the tax. You have studied tax in the second year, right? So it's a bit, the calculation is related to that. Okay, write the formula for the following generalized payroll statement for ABC Limited to calculate gross salary of each employee. Employees are paid basic salary, dearness pay DP, travel allowance TA, and your bonus. So in the question it is saying that DP is paid at 15% of basic. DP is paid at 15% of basic. That means 15% of basic salary. Then TA is paid at 10% of basic. If basic is less than 15,000. Otherwise at 12% of basic. If the TA, that is the travel allowance, is less than 15,000, like 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 10,000. So if it is less than 15,000, then you have to calculate 10% of the basic. But if it is more than 15,000 or if it is 15,000, then you have to calculate 12% of the basic. Next is your bonus is paid at 5% of company profit. Now company profit is given in the question, I'll tell you. So you have to calculate 5% of bonus. Then company profit, okay, it is given here only. Company profit is rupees 5 lakh. Yes, it is 5 lakh. Okay. See, the format is given here. This A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 columns, and your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. So they have given the employee name, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. These are the name of the employees. Then the company profit is given here, 5 lakh. Then they are given the basic salary of A, B, C is 15,000. Basic salary of D, E, F is 13,000. Basic salary of G, H, I is 17,000. You have to calculate DP, TA, bonus, and gross. So you know very well it is very simple to calculate this. Just like you do in maths, you need to find the percentage. Okay, so first you will just find the value. After that I'll tell you how you have to write the formula in the appropriate cells, right? See here, generalized payroll statement for ABC Limited. I have given the name, the rows, the columns A, B, C, D, E, F, and the columns are there are 14 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You can see. First you need to draw the format. In the format what you need to do is employee name, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, then basic salary you have to write here, then DP, TA, and bonus. Like this you have to write. Okay, now it was given in the question that the DP is 15% of the basic. So 15% of 15,000 is 2250, 15% of 13,000 1950, 15% of 17,000 is 2550. So you just need to calculate 15% of it and you have to write the value. Then TA, there was a if condition in TA that if the travel allowance is less than 15,000, then you have to calculate it 10% of the basic salary, right? So we can see here that it is 15,000, it is 17, here it is 13,000. That means on 13,000 we have to calculate 10% TA, and for 15,000 and 17,000 we'll calculate 12%. So 12% of 15,000, 1,800, you can see. Then 13,000, 10% of 13,000, 1,300, and 12% of 17,000 will be 2,040. Then your bonus. It was given in the question that the bonus is paid at 5% of company profit. So 5% of company profit is this 5 lakh. So 5% will be 25,000, 25,000 and 25,000. Now you need to calculate the gross. For the gross what you need to do is just add 15,000 plus 2250 plus 1,800 plus 25,000. Similarly you'll do in all this. Just add basic salary, DP, TA, bonus and you'll get the gross. Now let's move below. We have company profit, like it was the same as the format in the question. Now you just need to leave these two rows. Then you'll again write employee name A, B, C, D, E, F, then basic salary similarly. Now in these columns you need to write the formulas. How will you write the formulas? For the DP, what you need to do is you have to calculate the 15%. So is equal to sum B10. Where is B10? You can see here B is here, B 10. 10 is this 15,000, 10. B10 is 15,000 is equal to sum B10 multiply 15%. 15% is 0.15. Then similarly here is equal to sum B11. It is B11B, and the B11 is this 11. You can see here 11. 13,000 multiply 0.15. Similarly here B12 multiply 0.15. Okay, then your TA. For TA there was a if condition. If B10, you can see B10, this basic salary of ABC, B10 is less than 15,000, then it will be B10 multiply 0.1, that is 10%. Otherwise is showing this comma, B10 multiply 0.12, that is 12%. If B10 is less than 15,000, B10 will be multiplied by 10%, that is 0.1, comma, otherwise B10 will be multiplied by 0.12, that is 12%. Similarly, you can see this here. B11, B10, B11, B12 I have already told you. So B11 less than 15,000, B11 multiply 0.1, otherwise it will be multiplied by 0.12. 0.12 is 12%, 0.1 is 10%. Similarly here B12 is less than 15,000, B12 multiply by 0.1, that is 10%. Otherwise if it is more or if it is equal to 15,000, then it will be multiplied by 0.12. Then comes your bonus 25,000 is equal to sum B14. You can see here B14, this 14 company profit B14. This 5 lakh will be written here. It is written in the C14 column, but you need to write it is in the 5 column, this B14 column. Just write the 5 lakh here. Okay, so B14 5 lakh, so is equal to sum B14 multiply 0.05. What is 0.05? 5%. Sum is equal to B14 multiply 0.05. Similarly here, why? Because bonus is same, 5% of company's profit, that is 5 lakh. Okay, so I hope you must have understood this. Then gross. For gross, what you need to do is, let me do it here. For gross is equal to sum B10 is to E10. B10 is to E10. You can see B10 is this B10 here and E10. So you have to calculate this. That's why B10 is to E10. Okay, you can see here B10 is to E10. Similarly is equal to sum B11 is to E11 is equal to B12 is to E12. Okay, I can show you B11, then it will go up to E11, then B12 up to E12, and you just need to write it here. B is equal to sum, just like that. Okay, so this is how you have to prepare the generalized payroll statement. Thank you. And if you like the video, please do like the hit button. Okay.